Presenting the Kia 2019 Niro EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 1.6L-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and climate-controlled, driver and passenger heated cushion, driver and passenger heated seat back. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.